Vericom's fiber cable tray system is an easy-to-install system that is designed for the proper routing and protection of your fiber optic cabling. When installing a fiber cable tray system, using plastic T-bolts and plastic hex nuts is a quick and easy way to secure the different components of the cable tray together. When inserted and tightened properly, the arms of the T-bolt should fall into the top and bottom slots inside the channel of the fiber cable tray. When using the T-bolts to secure an end cap to the straight channel, insert the T-bolt into the outside channel and slide them into the brackets of the end caps. While keeping constant light pressure on the center of the hex nut with your index finger, tighten the T-bolt firmly into place and then repeat the process on the other side. When installing a spillover onto a straight channel, place the T-bolts into the side channel of the tray first, and then slide the spillover onto the side of the tray, aligning the slots in the spillover with the T-bolts. Then just use your index finger to keep a constant pressure on the center of the hex nut to keep the T-bolt in place inside the slots of the side channel as you tighten it firmly into place. For more information or questions about our VCT series fiber cable tray system, contact us today.